Hey, hi. Thank you for coming by. This is Beyma, Jose Diaz from Beyma. We're showing the new compression driver with the new patents, actually, very unique features. The patents that we have here, we got DEPLOCEX and the VPEQ. VPEQ is a patent that we can actually be able to equalize the compression driver internally without any EQing any problems. So automatically the piece is adjust on the critical frequency, 5K, 3K, we can be able to adjust it and give you more boost and more balance. So actually the speaker of the driver will behave much better with more control. The second one is actually a 15% more increase on the power handling. So now your power handling is much better. It works better when it's even hotter. So I mean, the more you use the piece, the more compression loss you actually be able to fix with this. That's the advantage of these pieces. DEPLOCEX and VPEQ. That piece is the amazing technology that we actually put a new compression driver. We have a full family of 12 different drivers, even with the new technology of PK, which actually it's a high temperature polymeter that allow you to actually create sound like it's a titanium, but it's brighter with no harsh and more dynamic combination on the application. We got titanium, the PK, and the PT. PT is more like a high efficiency PM4 on our previous driver. So actually we made more accurate performance on the new series. So we have a full family of 12 pieces. Check it out. We're new patenting at BeymaAmerica.com or at Beyma.com.